Hello YouTube, Airsoft Brothers 2 here, and this is my case I just received from Oakley, and it took forever. It took about 2 months, a little over 2 months. I ordered this June, well, let's say a few days after my birthday or so. So probably the anywhere from 16th to the 22nd, but online it did not say it was backordered. It said it ships in 2 to 3 business days. But then once you go check your order, it says it's backordered, and I emailed Oakley. They said they should have it in by the end of last week and ship out the following week. So here we go. Let's open this up. If you're wondering why the thing's so shaky, I found the tripod, but my brother lost the thing that it connects it to, so I'm gonna have to do this one-handedly, or the best I can. Put this around my neck real quick, that might help. Set up. My order form from Oakley itself. This is the only thing I bought from Oakley, and it cost me, does it say on here? No, this is just shipping because it took so long. But here we go. Here is the case. Oakley. This is the Square O graphite hard case. This, I believe, cost $23 with shipping for me, or tax. Tax and shipping came out to like 23, something like that. That's actually, don't even need a knife. Open it on this side. Oh, thought that was sealed. Here's the hard case. Feels really nice, actually. This Square O hard case. I just needed a case for my Oakleys because I didn't want nothing to happen to them. I paid 120 bucks for them and wanted to break them. And I'm gonna test these fit. I got my oil rigs right here. Just be able to place it in with the bag. Hope so. I like using the bag. Has to be sideways, it looks. Might not be able to use the bag with this. I like using the bag because it's nice to have with it. Yeah, they fit really good without the bag. If you use the bag, you might have to squeeze it in. I'm going to try that a little bit later. But there you go, guys. That was the unboxing of the Oakley Square O graphite hard case from Oakley. A review will be up in a week or so. Have a nice day, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe.